Hello dosto, welcome back to my channel Bansal Biology. In today's video we are going to learn about the tricks of amino acids. As the amino acids are very important for many examination, for example NEET, CSIR, NET, and there are various types of amino acid which we have to remember during the examination to correct the questions. So in this video we are going to discuss the tricks of non-polar amino acids, polar amino acids, basic amino acid, acidic amino acid, essential amino acid, as well as non-essential amino acids. So let's get started with the video. If we first see amino acid structure, then amino acid structure consists of this. This is the basic structure of amino acid. It consists of a amino group, it consists of a carboxylic group and an H, plus it consists of a R side chain. This R side chain is a variable group. It keeps on changing depending upon the amino acid. It is different for every amino acid. It is different for every amino acid, and this structure is the one which forms the different amino acids. For example, if we see here that alanine has a CH3 group, valine has different thing, leucine has different, isoleucine, these all have different kind of R chain. Rest all the structure is same, COH, NH2 and H is same, but this R structure is different. So this R structure is responsible for the different types of amino acids. Likewise, here you also can see that lysine structure and arginine structure. So lysine has this long chain plus it has a additional group similar with the arginine. So let's get started with the first trick. First trick is of non-polar amino acids. Non-polar amino acid consists of methionine, proline, alanine, leucine, isoleucine, valine, glycine, tryptophan, and phenylalanine. For this, the trick is my pal is very good to people. Pal in English is referred to as friend. So my friend is very good to people. So for this, from my it's methionine, from pal ka P से it's proline, A it's alanine, L से it's leucine, from is it's isoleucine, from very ka V से it's valine, from G it's glycine, from T it's tryptophan, and from P it's phenylalanine. So in just one sentence you are able to remember all the non-polar amino acids. Next trick is for polar amino acid. In these are included, and the trick for this is good teacher can teach students appropriately. That if the teacher is good, it can teach the students very appropriately. So from good it's glutamine, from teacher it's threonine, from can it's cysteine, from teach it's tyrosine, from students is serine, and from appropriate it's asparagine. Next is of basic and acidic amino acids. The amino acids can be basic or can be acidic. If the amino acid is positive, then it will be basic, and if it is negative, then it will be acidic amino acid. So for this, the amino acids that are included in basic are histidine, arginine, and lysine. So for the trick is very simple. So in this hall, H is histidine, A is arginine, and L is lysine, and the last L doesn't tell any of the amino acids. So these three first words are included in this. The next is acidic amino acid, and this only two amino acids are included, aspartate and glutamate. So for this AG is the simple trick, and in India the married women called their husbands as AG. So you can remember by this also, or AG is very simple word, you can easily remember that. So these are included in acidic amino acid. Next are the essential amino acid. Essential amino acids include these much of the amino acids from threonine, methionine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, tryptophan, phenylalanine, and valine. So the trick is very simple. The trick is tremendous mountain hilltop view. That the mountain hilltop view is very tremendous. So for this, the T is tremendous ka T is representing threonine, mountain ka M is methionine. From hill is divided into four. From H is histidine, from I is isoleucine, from L it's leucine, from L it's lysine, from T it's tryptophan, from P top ka P it's phenylalanine, from T it's tryptophan, and from P it's phenylalanine, and from U it's valine. Amino acids are the non-essential amino acids. Plus let's see the difference between essential and non-essential amino acids also. The essential amino acids are those which are needed by the body from outside. Like we need to consume them in our food. They are not made in our body and we have to consume them in our food. That's why the name is essential. By the non-essential amino acids are the amino acids that are made up in our body. Our body are able to make them in our body itself, so we don't need to take them in diet. It is totally okay if we don't take them in diet, but if essential amino acids are not taken in the diet, then we can get disease. So this is the basic difference between the essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. So if we see the amino acids that are included in the non-essential amino acids, so these 11 are included. One thing you can see that all the A and all the G are included in the non-essential amino acids. So you can remember this, like if alanine, asparagine, aspartate, arginine, glycine, glutamate or glutamine has come, you can say that yes, it is non-essential without any thinking, because A and G, all A and G amino acids are in non-essential amino acids. So this is very easy to remember. Next, the trick will be PT sir can add games. The PT sir can add games. So from P it's proline, from T it's tyrosine, from S is serine, from C is cysteine, from A it's all the 4 A's, and from G it's all the 4 G's. So this is very simple trick to remember. You can remember it easily. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope this video helped you a lot.